Why do we feel the need to fly? Maybe we're drawn to the sensation of total freedom. Let me show you what I mean. I want to see faraway places and ancient worlds. I want to pass through fire and snow and get so close the ice cracks beneath me. I want to climb the highest places, then dive straight down. I'll find the uncharted paths, no matter where they're hiding. With the air at my back, I'll become the wind. I'll fly with my friends and feel the rush. I'll make a short stop to regain my balance. And after I've witnessed every wonder, I'll head back home. Here's what I found. I discovered that it's not where you fly that gives you the rush, but the flying itself that I was missing so much.